So guys, hello, I'm prepared for you very cool topic about knee pain. Yes, I know a lot of people has this problem. I also had it, but I do this exercise and I avoid this pain. If you don't believe me, let's check this exercise with me. So let's go. So first of all, you must have warming up, because warming up hitting all your body for more difficult exercise. But you can believe me, I had warming up the last video. So in this video I will do only exercise who helps you avoid knee pain. Yes, but you must make warming up. If you don't know what's this exercise, yes, what is it warming up, please search in my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos about warming up. So let's don't lose our time and let's begin. So first of all, you need to make this right position of your legs. Also about insomnia, yes, about your straight back, so please make it. Your shoulders go back, not this position, it's horrible. Please do this. If you can't bring your back yourself, yes, you also have hands, and your hands make your help, yes, by this way. If you can't, will be without hands, it's super. So let's go. With your goal in this exercise, we need to put our knees to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So stay in this position. Also you can press if you want, but not so very. It's so okay. Also after this, we try to up the hips to the. Let's go. 1, 2. In this exercise, you train at the same time, yes, several parts of your body. I love this exercise because you save your time. Yes, I know my audience in YouTube channel, it's so busy people, because they working, and they knows how to the same time. It's so important. Yes, it's so important. 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so please change the sides. And so which part at the same time you train in this exercise? So answer is so very simple for me, for you I hope too, but I can explain that for it's my work, yes, in this channel. So it's the same time in this exercise we train also knees, yes, and hips. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, also let's make circles. Maybe you can ask me what is strange exercise, but it's not strange exercise. And easy exercise for warming up your knees. Okay, so cool. And let's do more difficult exercise. So bring this position. Yes, and don't be furious, yes, don't be fast. Do this so soft, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, let's change position. Also sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Also, sit in this position and try put your knees to the floor. Yes, it may be a little bit the same with the first exercise where we have wild position, but this exercise will be a little bit harder because we hold one leg. Yes, and this exercise you will feel so these muscles, yes, also these muscles in this hip, so rude, yes, and for stretch you need more power, yes, and also this exercise is very cool for your knees because you feel this everything. So 2, 3, 5, also straight back, yes, your cinema must be perfect. I think in the next video I will show you exercise about them, but right now knee pain. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, straight, not fast, yes. Also you can do this exercise. It's also, for knees you don't need very difficult exercise. Knees training, it's about soft exercise, about careful, yes, because our knees so soft part, whole leg, yes, leg and knee so soft parts of our body, and we don't need for this part very difficult exercise. Yes, it's true. You can search in the internet this information if you don't believe me. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's start with another leg. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and also another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's sit down. Also in the end of our video I also tell about cool notice for knees, so wait about them. But right now, exercise. 1, oh, it's so difficult in this size. 4, 3, 5, see, I'm training, but I also have a knees need, and I must be do this exercise. Yes, if I won't be healthy. Okay, so also 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and also exercise. So, if you like mixed training, I should you also provide cycling. Yes, it's very excellent sport for your knees. Yes, because you have this exercise. Also, you can do this if you don't have bike. But if you have bike, please do this exercise in your bike. Yes, and also. So yes, I think this exercise also not difficult because I told, yes, for knees we don't need very difficult exercise. This easy exercise really solves your problem, and you avoid this knees pain. Okay guys, so I so appreciate that you choose me, how you train, and you choose my educational of stretching. I'm so happy, really. Your energy gives me a lot of power for make something for you new. So guys, thank you so much and see you very soon. Have a nice day.